Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of birds. Today, we're exploring some of the most unbelievable beaks in the avian kingdom. From massive, colorful bills to specialized, quirky shapes, these beaks are more than just a tool for survival. They're a work of art. Before starting our video, do subscribe our channel for more fascinating content. Firstly, the Rhinoceros Hornbill sports one of the most striking beaks in the bird world, featuring a bright yellow and orange casque on top of its bill. This large bird, found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, uses its massive beak not just for feeding, but also for attracting mates. The beak can grow up to 9.8 inches long. Interestingly, the casque helps amplify the bird's call, making sure it's heard loud and clear across the dense forest. Secondly, the Roseate Spoonbill, known for its unique spoon-shaped beak. This striking bird, found in wetlands across the Americas, uses its beak to sift through the mud for small fish and crustaceans. The beak is about 6 to 8 inches long and perfectly suited for foraging in shallow waters. Its beautiful pink plumage, combined with that odd yet effective beak, makes it a standout in the bird world. Thirdly, the Long-Billed Curlew is North America's longest shorebird, with a beak that can reach up to 8.6 inches. This long, down-curved beak is perfect for reaching deep into the soil to pull out insects and worms. Found in grasslands and coastal areas, the curlew's beak is both a feeding tool and a beauty trait, giving it a graceful, distinctive profile. Fourthly, the Great Hornbill, with its enormous, banana-shaped beak, is another giant of the bird world. Native to the forests of Southeast Asia, this bird's beak can be over 7.5 inches long. The bright yellow and black casque atop its beak isn't just for show. It's used in mating rituals and territorial displays. Despite its size, the hornbill is a master of the skies, soaring gracefully with its massive beak leading the charge. Fifthly, meet the Toco Toucan, the bird with arguably the most famous beak in the world. This South American bird's beak can reach an impressive 7.5 inches and makes up about 1/3 of its total length. Despite its size, the beak is surprisingly light, made of keratin with a hollow structure. The Toco Toucan uses its beak to reach fruit on branches that might otherwise be too delicate to land on. Sixthly, another toucan with an equally impressive beak is the Keel-Billed Toucan, known for its rainbow-colored bill. This bird, found in Central and South America, has a beak about 4.7 inches long, with vivid hues of green, orange, red, and blue. The beak is not just for looks. It's used to peel fruit, catch insects, and even as a tool for defense. The Keel-Billed Toucan's beak adds a splash of color to the dense green forests it calls home. Seventhly, the American White Pelican is a master fisherman, thanks to its enormous beak and expandable pouch. The beak can reach lengths of up to 13 inches, making it one of the longest in the bird world. Found across North America, these pelicans work together to herd fish into shallow waters, where they scoop them up in their pouches. It's a beak built for teamwork and efficiency. Eighthly, flamingos are not just known for their striking pink color, but also for their unique beaks, which are specially adapted for filter feeding. The beak, which can be up to 5 inches long, is bent downward, allowing them to feed while their head is upside down. Found in Africa, the Americas, and parts of Europe and Asia, flamingos use their beaks to sift through mud and water for algae, crustaceans, and other small organisms. Ninthly, the Atlantic puffin, often called the clown of the sea, has a colorful, triangular beak that is perfectly designed for its lifestyle. This bird, found in the North Atlantic, uses its beak, which can grow up to 2 inches long, to catch and carry multiple fish at a time. Thanks to its special spines that hold the fish in place, the bright orange and yellow beak also plays a role in attracting mates during the breeding season. At 10th, the American avocet is easily recognized by its long, thin, upturned beak, which it uses to sweep through water to catch small invertebrates. The beak, about 3 to 4 inches long, is perfectly adapted for skimming the water's surface. Found in wetlands across North America, the avocet's elegant beak adds to its graceful, slender appearance. At 11th, the black skimmer has one of the most unusual beaks in the bird world, with a lower mandible that is longer than the upper one. This unique design allows the bird to skim the water's surface as it flies, snapping up fish as it goes. Found along coastlines in the Americas, the black skimmer's beak is a perfect example of evolution adapting to a specific feeding method. At 12th, the shoebill, often referred to as a living dinosaur, has a beak that looks like it belongs in prehistoric times. This African bird's beak can grow up to 9 inches long and is perfectly suited for catching large prey like fish, reptiles, and even small mammals. The beak's broad, shoe-like shape helps it clamp down on slippery prey, making the shoebill a formidable hunter in the wetlands of Central Africa. At last, but certainly not least, the kiwi from New Zealand is a small, flightless bird with a beak almost as long as its body. The kiwi's beak, which can be up to 6 inches long, is equipped with nostrils at the tip, allowing it to sniff out insects and worms underground. This unique feature makes the kiwi the only bird with a truly effective sense of smell, giving it a distinct advantage in its nocturnal foraging. From the colorful toucans of the rainforest to the stealthy kiwi of New Zealand, these birds showcase the incredible diversity and adaptability of beaks in the avian world. Whether for feeding, mating, or just standing out in the crowd, these beaks are truly nature's masterpieces. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of birds with unbelievable beaks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content.